Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and good. Welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am, and I hope you remember what I was teaching you the last week. That is Malgudi Cricket Club, and it was started and it was completed till here, right? And I hope you have read the chapter, whatever it was happened, and you have understood. And today, from this portion, whatever I have taught you, from this portion I have arranged some questions for you, and this is one practice work on this chapter. Whatever I have taught, I told you, not from the full chapter. So I have given you some questions, and I hope you can solve it. These are very short questions, you can see. Try to solve the answers of the following questions, right? And there are 10 questions. See, first question: what would you say to a cricket team? You can see so many questions are from the chapter, just like a sentence. I have given a sentence and asked you that who said this, why he said this. Okay, this kind of question you can get, and these all the questions are of number 2 marks questions. Okay, 2 marks questions, and I hope you can do, but I don't give you the answers right now. I will give you the questions. I will request you to solve the answers by yourself. Okay, do it in your copy, and when we will meet on the next Zoom class, I will discuss these answers. If you will have to face any kind of problem, then definitely I will solve those. Okay, see the first question: what would you say to a cricket team? Who said this? If you read the chapter thoroughly, you will get this answer, and this is from the first paragraph. At the first paragraph you will get this line: what would you say to a cricket team? Who asked this question? Who said this? I hope you can recognize it. Okay, next, who is Hobbs? There are some names, Hobbs, and there are some others names. I hope you can remember. So who is Hobbs? Hobbs is a name. Okay, next, I don't know how to play. I don't know how to play. Who said this and to whom? Who said this line and to whom? I don't know how to play. I hope you remember the conversation between two people. The conversation was going on about the cricket team, about making a cricket team. I hope you remember. And some questions asked by Rajam, whatever I remember. Now it will depend on you how you will guess. So on that moment there was a conversation going on, and between that conversation this line was told by one person. Now you will recognize who is that person. I don't know how to play. Who said this and to whom? Who told this line and to whom? Okay, next question: why was Swaminathan a little disappointed? In a certain space, in a certain phrase, you will get this reason. And why was Swaminathan a little disappointed? There is in the next page, means the first chapter is starting. The first page and the second page, you will get this answer thoroughly. That why was Swaminathan a little disappointed? Why was he disappointed? I hope you can you can recognize why he was disappointed. About what? I think about the name of the cricket team, right? I hope you remember. So now it is your duty to write down the answer thoroughly. It is also a question of 2 marks, but suppose some kind you will get it for 3 marks also. Okay, so you know how many words there should be in a 2 marks question or 3 marks question, so there will be not a problem for you. Next question. Next is a line: The name was really a bit tame. This is T, okay? T-A-M-E. The name was really a bit tame. Who said this line? And what is the meaning of the word tame? Okay, you will get this meaning inside the chapter. If you read thoroughly the book, then you will get, and you will get this line inside the chapter also. The name was really a bit tame. Who said this? And what kind of name? What the name? What was the name? Okay. Now, next question. He pulled out a piece of paper and a pencil. Who pulled out a piece of paper and why? There was a conversation going on between two people, and after that something was determined about the name of the cricket team, and after that someone was a little bit disappointed, right? I hope you remember. And after that someone pulled out a piece of paper and a pencil. Why? To make some list of the cricket team. I hope you remember, right? So please remember it and write the answer in your own way, in your own language. Okay, next. Why did Rajam realize that the starting of a cricket team was the most complicated? This is I. Wait. Yes, this is I, okay? This is I. Sure? Okay. Why did Rajam realize that the starting of a cricket team was the most complicated problem on the earth? Why? There was a conversation going on. They were happy to start a cricket team. They were giving the name to the cricket team. They were arranging all the players, and they had decided so many things about the match and all. So why they are thinking, especially Rajam was thinking that it is the most difficult work on the earth to start a cricket team. Why? You will get this answer inside the chapter and in the next second page of the chapter. Okay, next question. This is K. It looks like any other bat in the catalogue. I hope you remember. They took a catalogue and they sat on a table round with all the people, and they were discussing about the types of the bat, right? So it looks like any other bat in the catalogue. Who said this line? Whenever they were talking about the bat, by watching the catalogue, they were watching the catalogue and they were talking about. So someone told this line. So who said this line? Okay, who said this line? Okay, who said this line? Okay, go to the next question, number 9. This is also another line. Look here, do you think we shall have to pay tax? This is TAX. Okay, if you can't understand that, I think now you can understand. Okay. Look here, do you think we shall have to pay tax? Who said this? Who said this? Look here, do you think we shall have to pay tax? This was also in the conversation between those two people as they were talking about to start a new cricket team, and they were arranging the names, they were arranging the players, they were discussing about the match. On that moment, on someone's mind, this question arose that do you think we shall have to pay tax? So who said this? Next, these are some meaning. Write the meaning of the words. Skeptical, mugs. First word skeptical, second word mugs, third word Tim. This is TA. Okay, this is T. Fourth, imposing. 5, number E, craned. All the words are from your chapter. Okay, now what do? You will write the meaning of these words. first this is your duty. Next, what do? You will, I am writing here in the bracket, make a sentence by using these words. This is your another duty. Okay, so first you will write the meaning of these words, and after that you will make a sentence by using these words. And when you will make the sentence, you have to maintain the tense, in which tense the word is given, to follow that tense when you will write the sentence. Okay, so this is your homework today I am giving, and please you can pause your video and you can write down all the questions in your copy, and please do it. And on the next Zoom class I will ask these answers from all of you, and if you will face any kind of problem, definitely you will discuss in the next Zoom class about these all questions. Okay, before that I will expect that you will do this question and answer very well in your copy. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.